to the magnitude of the fire, is it going to disrupt any burial on Sunday, or even disrupt any burial today?
No, it's not going to. It's not going to erupt any funeral today. For Sunday, only if it continues. But if the fire continues, yes, it will.
But to believe it will be contained now based on the assessment, preliminary assessment of the fire brigade.
Yeah.
They're going to contain it now and ensure that it does not spread and that everything is made safe after their exercise has been completed.
Mr. Cornwall, this is the first time something like this has ever happened?
No, sir. There are fire on several occasions.
And what would be the cause of that?
Same thing. Persons could have been passing through, maybe smoking, or you maybe have some persons who are of unsound mind and things like that, because some of them cook here. Most of them make their meals here.
All right.